If you know your 8 times tables, you are great. Go to school, don't be late, don't make that mistake. Cause you can show off and demonstrate in class and elevate. Be like, yo, teach, I know the number 8. Yo, 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56. And 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. 10 times 8 is 80. 11 times 8 is 88. 12 times 8 is 96. And now let's put it all in the mix. Come on. Chick, chicka, chick, chick, chicka, chick, chick. Chicka, 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 chick. Kaboom, boom. Yeah. So now you know the 8 times tables, all right? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 is hard. 88, 96. Yeah, I'm back in the mix. Shake, 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 shake. That way it's harder. But if you keep practicing it, you become smarter. All right? So, that's your 8 times tables. You have to study them. I'm going to tell you that that's the one I have the most difficulty with, but I'm going to give it more grit. I'm going to give it a little bit more study time. Take 5 more minutes out of your study time and everything will be fine. All right? So that's your 8 times tables. All right? Go over them. Check them out because it's better to have them in your head. Let your head be your brain computer. Let your head be your calculator as much as possible. Okay, only go to the paper later. I like that. Let your brain be your calculator. Only go to the paper later. Ah, mister. Oh. Hey, yo, it's getting hot out here. I gotta go. Peace.